Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to use Wanderlog app. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Wanderlog app. To use your Wanderlog app, so there's a lot of ways on using your Wanderlog app. It can either be looking at the places that you want to visit. Very cool. As you can see, a lot of places here with people's reviews. As you can see, we have 195 reviews. Here we have 198 reviews. You can see how many reviews the place gets and how beautiful are the places here are, and what are the things that you can do in this area. So yeah, so you can do that, and here you can also book hotels. So this right here doesn't literally book your hotels, it just looks for places. For example, you want to stay at the let's just say hotel. You want to stay at the hotel. So what this app's gonna do is gonna go to a booking app, like for example like maybe Airbnb or something like that, or maybe booking.com. We're gonna head you to that site right there that's associated with the hotel, and that you'll be able to book right there. And here you can make planner, so you can make yourself a plan, so you won't have to forget something, or maybe you're already prepared stuff, and then making the plan so you can be more ready and prepared for your trip. So you can make that right there. I got it. Here we got some of deals and these promos that you can get. As you see here, you can get $1,000 dream trip contest. Planning your dream trip, post a video about it to get free Wanderlog Pro and a chance to win $1,000 towards your trip. And here we have a lot of deals that you can get from this. You just need to do some stuff. And here you can now here at the profile, you can change your name and look at your trips, your guides, journals, and all of that stuff right here. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you that's all that you can do, and you can do so much more right here. You can have a friend connected with you at Wanderlog. But if you want to learn that, I suggest watching a guide in here at Guide Games, how to invite a friend at Wanderlog. But yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible here at Guide Glimpse. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.